Can I welcome you all to one of the coldest places on earth this morning, here at the top of the Afan Valley. Well, it certainly feels that way this morning. I am here to bring you exciting news for all our communities across Neath, Talbot and further afield, of course. I'm here to talk to you about the proposed Wildfox Adventure Park and what that means to us all. This resort will be a major investment for the Afan Valley and the region as a whole. We will be working closely with the team of Wildfox to maximise the job and supply chain opportunities for local people and businesses. Plus, as the work progresses, we will be helping to make sure that you are kept up to date on the issues that matter to you. This exciting project promises to make the Afan Valley the go-to place for adventure tourists, and I'm really looking forward to seeing it progress. Can I finish by wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and a better New Year, as your leader of Neath Talbot County Borough Council.
Good morning, my name is Claire Pearce. I'm the Director of Sustainability and Economic Development for Wildfox Resort. We're delighted to be here in the Afan Valley working with Neath Talbot Council to create the first of a new brand of adventure resorts in the UK. We hope to be creating 1,000 jobs in construction and 1,000 jobs in operation, which will bring in over £13 million per annum to the local economy. Over the winter months, we're going to be working on our Welsh language strategy and doing some baseline work on the local heritage of the site to make sure that we bring that into the design process. And in the spring, we'll be working with all of the 4 primary schools in the Afan Valley to make sure that we start working with primary school children to inspire them to the new opportunities and the new futures, careers that the resort can bring to the area.
Good morning, welcome from the Afan Valley. My name is Nghwm Afan, Director of Development at Wildfox Resort. Just want to convey the message that we've already put a huge amount of investment into this project so far, and just wanted to say that we are looking at a local first approach, i.e. bringing on board as many local suppliers, contractors and labour resource as possible so that we can put as much investment back into the local community and economy. As I said, we've done a huge amount of investment so far. What we're looking to do is thank you and encourage you to continue logging your inquiries and queries via the website. We are looking to get early contracting engagement and speak to you as soon as possible, so continue doing what you're doing, and we look forward to working with you on this project.